Hello, everybody. In today's episode on Grainificent, we will be talking about Eve Arnold and capturing humanity through the lens. So, Eve Arnold, born in 1912, died in 2012. She lived 100 years. She was an American photojournalist and one of the most influential photographers of the 20th century. Her remarkable life and legacy are deeply intertwined with her iconic photographs that captured the essence of humanity, social issues, and the world's diverse cultures. Born in Philadelphia, Eve Arnold grew up in a working-class family. She attended Sarah Lawrence College, where she studied liberal arts and initially pursued a career in medicine. However, her interests soon shifted towards photography, which eventually led her to New York City. It was in the vibrant cultural landscape of New York that she began honing her skills and working as a photographer. In 1951, Eve Arnold joined Magnum Photos, the renowned cooperative agency founded by pioneering photographers Robert Capa, Henry Cartier-Bresson, George Roger, and others. Magnum provided her with the platform and mentorship she needed to develop her distinctive style. She became the first woman to join the agency, breaking gender barriers in a male-dominated industry. Arnold's work covered a wide range of subjects, from celebrities to everyday people. Her photographs of Marilyn Monroe are particularly famous and provide an intimate glimpse into the private life of the iconic actress. Beyond the glamour of Hollywood, Arnold's lens also captured the grit and struggles of marginalized communities, both in the United States and around the world. Her photo essays documented the lives of African American civil rights activists, migrant workers, and indigenous people, highlighting the social issues of her time. She had a unique ability to connect with her subjects on a personal level, resulting in candid and powerful images that spoke volumes. One of the hallmarks of Eve Arnold's legacy is her dedication to exploring different cultures and societies. She traveled extensively, capturing life in countries such as China, the Soviet Union, Cuba, and India. Her photographs are a testament to her curiosity and empathy, transcending language and cultural barriers to reveal universal human experiences. Eve Arnold's impact on photography and photojournalism cannot be overstated. She used her camera as a tool to shed light on social injustices, challenge stereotypes, and promote understanding across cultures. Her work continues to inspire aspiring photographers and storytellers to use their craft as a means of raising awareness and promoting positive change. Arnold's legacy lives on through her photographs, which have been exhibited in prestigious galleries and museums worldwide. Her contributions have been recognized with numerous awards and honors, solidifying her place as a pioneer in photography and a trailblazer for women in the field. Eve Arnold's life and legacy are a testament to the power of photography to shape perceptions, challenge norms, and bring attention to important social issues. Through her lens, she captured the human experience in all its complexity and diversity, leaving an indelible mark on the world of photography and beyond. Her work serves as a reminder that art can be a catalyst for change, encouraging us to see the world with empathy and understanding. If you like this type of videos, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It shows me that I make helpful and interesting content. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.